Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to deploy your own ERC-20 token without any coding knowledge. For this we will use Coinshitter.com, and first let's start with the interface and I will explain to you everything you see on your screen. Let's start with this section first. First, when you open this website you will see Connect Wallet button. When you will connect your wallet, you will see these three sections. First section is showing the name of the network that is selected inside your wallet. In my wallet, I have Base Mainnet selected, and this reflects that. If I will choose another network, for example Binance Smart Chain, it will change and you will see Binance Smart Chain Mainnet. So I will stick to Base Mainnet because in this example I'm going to deploy token in Base Mainnet. The next section shows how much ETH you have in your wallet, and the next section shows the address of the wallet that you connected to this app. In this drop-down list you can choose the network where are you going to deploy your token, and we will deploy to Base Mainnet, so I choose Base Mainnet. And the network that you have chosen here should match the network that you selected in your wallet, because if they don't match you will get an error and you will not be able to deploy. In this field you specify the token name. In next field you specify token symbol. Total supply is pretty self-explanatory. You specify here how many tokens you want to be minted and deposited to your wallet. Moving forward, marketing wallet address. Here you specify the address where will be marketing buy and sell fees deposited. Next field, dev wallet address. Here you specify the wallet address where will be dev buy fee and dev sell fee deposited. Next field, delegated owner wallet address. Here you can optionally specify the wallet address that you want to assign as token owner. If you do so, the whole total supply of the minted tokens will be deposited to this address. If you leave this field optional, all minted tokens will be deposited to the current address that you use for deploying this token, and ownership will be assigned to the current address that you are using in your wallet for deploying this token. Okay, next section, text configuration. In this section you can specify marketing buy fee, marketing sell fee. They will be deposited to the marketing wallet address, and the same goes with developer buy fee and developer sell fee. They charged on every sell and buy transaction, and they will be deposited to the dev wallet address. LP buy fee and LP sell fee. They also charge from every buy and sell transaction, and they deposited to the liquidity pool that you create after you deploy your token. And this field and this field, they just show the total of the buy fees and total of the sell fees respectively. So if I will set here 1%, 1% and 1%, for example, you see that the total of the all buy fees is 3%. And the same goes with all sell fees. If I set, for example, 1%, 1% and 1%, it's also 3% here, total of the whole sell fees, and total is 6. Basically it represents the sum of total buy fee and total sell fee. You have to keep in mind that any setting here should be between 0 and 14%. And if you go beyond that interval, you will get the warning that you are beyond the interval. So if, for example, if I will set 15, you can see that LP fee must be 14 or less, and total fee also cannot exceed 14%. So you have to specify your percentage according to that. The same goes with sell fee. Total sell fee must be between 0 and 14%, and total fee must be 28% or less. So for our example, I will set 3%, and LP buy fee I will set 0, and LP sell fee I will set to 0 also. And what else? Before we're moving forward, I need to set up the marketing wallet address and the app wallet address, because these two are just dummy addresses. For my fee addresses, I will use this address. I will just copy and paste it. Okay, moving forward, token configuration. Max transaction amount is responsible for the amount of tokens that one account is able to buy or sell in a single transaction. This is in percent. So if, for example, if I set 100%, this means that in every transaction, any address can buy or sell 100% of the total supply of our token. If I set, for example, 50%, this means that any account can buy or sell only 50% or less of the total supply of our token. If, for example, I set 20%, this means that any account can buy or sell only 20% or less of total supply of our token. For our example, I will stick to 100%. Max wallet amount represents how many tokens can store or hold a single account. For example, if I set 100%, this means that any account can hold 100% of the total supply of our token. If I will reduce it to 50%, for example, this means that any account can hold maximum of 50% of the total supply of our token. I will stick to 100%. Okay, we are done with all the settings. Let's double check and deploy. Keep in mind that in order to deploy, you have to pay the gas fee. So in the wallet that you are using for deploying this token, make sure that it has ETH of the corresponding network. I'm deploying to Base Mainnet, so I have to have Base ETH on my wallet. Okay, before deploy, I need to switch to the account that has ETH, and I need to double check all the settings, and we're good to go. I need to accept terms and conditions, and I can click deploy token. And you can see before it starts deploying, I need to confirm this transaction, and 19 cents of the gas fee will be charged from my wallet. I confirm. Okay, our token is deployed. I can click to this button and add token to my metamask wallet. As you can see, we have minted 1 billion tokens of this Hoka token. I will add it to my wallet, and now I can see this token in my wallet. Let's go through this receipt. This is the contract of the deployed token. If I will click here, I will be redirected to the Block Explorer. Here is the Block Explorer page of your token, and here you can see that this is the verified contract. You don't need to verify it; it happens automatically. And you can read contract, you can write contract, you can do a bunch of stuff. I will explain all those settings in another video. I will put link in the description. And now let's go back. So token deployer, this is the wallet address which I used to deploy my token, and the owner of the token is the same as deployer because I left blank this field. If I would put here some address, this address would be assigned as owner of the token, and we would see that address in this line. I left it blank, so address is the same. Next you see the token name, next you see the token symbol and the network name where we have deployed our token. And next we need to add liquidity to the Uniswap exchange, and I will explain how to do that in the next video. Thank you for watching.